Good morning. This morning I'm doing a quick review on these Aven 10829F oval head cutters, flush cutters. I read a review online about them when I was trying to find a replacement for these Knipex or Knipex or whatever you want to, however you want to pronounce them. The reason is that I kept damaging these. This one I broke the tip off of, and then I have another one where I accidentally tried to cut some hardened steel wire and put a notch in it. According to the very limited and crappy documentation for these on their website, these have a hardness rating of 63 to 65, but their website says absolutely nothing on what you can cut with it. It just gives a size range, which is 2mm or 5/64, which translates to about 14 gauge wire. I did some further research, and some websites claim that you can cut soft iron with this. I do not know for certain because, like I said, I can't find any good information on that. There were a couple of things I noticed about. Well, I've had these for quite a while. Before I did a review, I just wanted to make sure that, you know, everything was fine. They worked pretty good. Just before I did this review, I decided to see if I could take these apart, or I was looking at them, and I noticed, and it's fixed now, but that this wasn't flush. That you could actually flex the cutters, and these would be out of alignment. And so I took it apart by removing this screw, and I tried to remove this thinking it would unscrew, and it wouldn't. And I finally figured out that it was press fit in there. So if you remove this screw, this still won't come apart. And what I did was I put this in a vise so that it put pressure on this side without the screw and pressure on this, and I squeezed it as tight as I could, and that brought this back together, and now this is in perfect alignment. But that's something to check on, that quality control may not be the best on these. So how does it cut? Well, I've got a piece of 14 gauge wire, and I don't know how well you can see that, but that looks like a pretty flat cut to me. So they are supposedly ESD rated somehow. I don't know. I don't care. I'd never worried about ESD. Don't think I've ever had a problem with anything ever frying because it got zapped. But anyways, oh, the other problem I'll tell you about these is that I had a heck of a time ordering them. Every place that I tried to order them, first I tried to order on Amazon, and then I tried ordering, I think on eBay, or it might have been the other way around. But when I would order them, it said they were in stock. It said that you could get one. I put the order in, and all of a sudden it was back ordered. There was a delay, and I waited. I think on one of them, I think it was Amazon or whatever, I waited probably a month before canceling the order. So they never shipped. I never tried to order them directly from the website. I don't know if you can. But I tried ordering them from eBay, and I think I had to cancel that. Oh, okay, so the place I finally ended up getting them was DigiKey. I paid, including shipping, $28.39. They were the only place that reliably had them. So I would skip trying to get them from Amazon or eBay or anything like that. But anyways, yeah, they work very well. Oh, and I'll show you a picture here. There were two types, and apparently the information I had originally had the wrong part number. The one I thought I was ordering was the relief cutters, the 10828F, which has a smaller head. But apparently the information I got off the website I originally found these on was incorrect, and I got the 10829F, as in Frank. But anyways, I think that's it. Thanks for watching.